The coolant pump used in the N63B44TU engine is capable of varying the coolant flow rate depending on coolant temperature and engine speed. Flow control is achieved by means of a ring valve that can partially cover the pump impeller. The ring valve is actuated mechanically. To move it, force is applied to a protrusion that extends into the ring valve guide path. The integrated guide for the ring valve has an increased depth. The ring insert is secured in the guide groove, and when rotated, it applies an axial force to the ring valve shutter. This allows the valve to cover the impeller of the coolant pump and thereby regulate the pump's volumetric flow rate. Temperature-dependent control. When the coolant temperature is below 80 degrees Celsius, the ring valve partially closes the impeller. In this mode, the pump delivers approximately 10% of the maximum flow rate, enabling faster engine warm-up and reduced fuel consumption. When the coolant temperature rises above 80 degrees Celsius, the ring valve fully releases the guide vanes, allowing the pump to operate at full flow rate. Speed-dependent safety function. In addition to temperature-based control, the pump features a speed-dependent safety function. This function prevents the engine from overheating during the cold start phase, at which time the ring valve restricts flow due to the low coolant temperature. As engine speed increases, coolant pressure in the impeller chamber rises accordingly. At approximately 3,500 revolutions per minute, the pressure becomes high enough to move the ring valve shutter independently of the thermal actuator. At this point, the control piston shifts under the influence of coolant pressure, compressing the secondary spring. The pump then switches to full flow rate, ensuring adequate engine cooling under high-speed conditions.